In complex process industries, breakdowns are not if, they're when. And the longer it takes to solve them is when money starts flying out the door. Lockout tagout is a constant battle.
Building procedures using a maze of one-line drawings, P&IDs, and outdated spreadsheets.
The pressure to keep things running collides with safety, and traditional lockout software can't keep up.
So outsmart complexity and outpace downtime with LINK360 Process Plus from Brady.
Dynamic lockout procedure management for process industries. Process Plus ends spreadsheet chaos, replacing it with centralized control. One dynamic database and one source of truth for isolation points, equipment, even regulatory compliance.
When you experience a breakdown, this system gets you from planning to procedure faster.
That's because it uses an isolation point first approach. Using the visual interface, simply drag and drop isolation points and create a procedure with just a few clicks. Photos, hazard information, all auto-populate, allowing your team to target only essential isolation points for the fastest, safest shutdowns. Process Plus is a living, breathing database, helping you automate change management. As your process or equipment changes, updates cascade through the system, ensuring every worker has only the latest information. You get real-time visibility of your equipment status and procedure history. Plus, mobile technology helps you do your work right at the isolation point. And Process Plus integrates with Brady label printers and software platforms, enabling visual confirmation of isolation points and trackable, traceable lockout documentation.
Outsmart complexity and outpace downtime with LINK360 Process Plus.
Reach out to Brady to learn more.